I am Jean-Yves Burgy, the General Manager of Recovering, which is a consultancy specialized in the field of industrial and construction waste valorization. I founded this company in 2009 because I was convinced, and I'm still convinced, that the access to natural resources will become more and more difficult due to a skyrocketing worldwide demand. Logically, transforming waste into alternative raw materials makes sense and is probably a piece of the solution to this problem. Our main mission within my company is to help customers, both private companies or public bodies, to play an active role in a circular economy framework while mitigating the adverse effect of poorly managed waste on health and environment. First of all, to my knowledge, Gypsum to Gypsum is the first real European project aiming at setting up the path to circular economy for a widespread product without any legal obligation. Second of all, Gypsum to Gypsum gathers 70 partners from demolition sector, from recycling industry and from manufacturing industry. All these field of expertise gathered in the same project will enable to reach ambitious results. Last but not least, the partner gave themselves concrete targets, such as 30% recycled content into some plasterboard products. So it is a difficult question to tackle. There are many factors that can facilitate or impede to reach the 70% target in a given area or country. The legislation framework, the practices in terms of demolition, the presence of recycling facility, the presence of end users for recycled materials, the tax on landfill, and the request for environmental respect may help or not. Having said that, the 70% recovery target for a non-hazardous construction and demolition waste must be reached by 2020, and it will need huge investments throughout the supply chain. In the current economical situation, the private sector must take over the challenge with a little help from the public authorities. In that respect, Gypsum to Gypsum may be a good example to highlight and demonstrate that the 70% target is a collective concern and not only an issue, a question for a plasterboard manufacturer.